Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Sam and I would love to have you guys subscribe so you won't miss out on any new videos. So today I thought it would be super fun to do a little update on my current hygiene favorites. I have some new products that I did actually pick up. I haven't been doing like a huge hygiene shopping to the point where I feel like I can do a hygiene shop with me. I've just been picking things up here and there, especially with like the holiday seasons coming up. I feel like brands are releasing so many cool holiday scents or limited edition things. So that is what this video is. I'm going to show you guys all my hygiene favorites of the month. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first two products I have to share with you guys are some deodorants. I know I did recently use up a couple of my deodorants. If you guys know, I have a pretty big deodorant collection. I know some of you guys have asked me to do a deodorant collection. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. I don't know if that's like weird to do, but I can totally make that video for you guys. But I have these two native deodorants. Native deodorants are like paraben free, aluminum free. They're supposed to be like a natural kind of deodorant, so they're nothing like a Dove or like a Degree or a Secret. So these are their holiday scents. They have a bunch out, seriously so many, but I only picked up two because they are a little pricey. They're $11.99, but this one is fresh mistletoe, and this one smells so good. I was kind of hesitant to pick these up because I feel like I have another Degree deodorant which is in coconut and vanilla, and I don't smell the scent super strong. I didn't know if it was like working super well, so I just picked this one up, and let me tell you guys, this scent lasts so freaking long on me. Like, I can actually smell it throughout my day. And it doesn't, I don't know. I've smelled mistletoe before and I don't feel like it smells like it. It smells like a fresh, like, balsam or like, just like a fresh Christmassy scent, like, of pine trees in a way. It smells so, so good. And the only thing I don't like about, like, natural deodorants is that they kind of feel a little, like, scratchy. They're not, like, smooth and buttery. They're a little bit scratchy. It kind of feels like you're putting exfoliator on underneath your arms, but it's not too bad. The scent is amazing. And again, they're like paraben and aluminum free. So this is the other one I have. And the next one I got was Sugar Cookie. I saw someone have this last year. And I really wanted it, but I couldn't find it. So I got Sugar Cookie. They also have like a creme brulee one or like a milk tea, some sort of tea flavor or scent. But the Sugar Cookie smells so, so good. It smells so yummy and warm. I need to find the body wash in this. I couldn't find it, but I need to. It just smells so delicious. It kind of smells like peanut butter cookies, but this is what this one looks like. They have a bunch of holiday scents. They have like a cranberry one and all these other scents. So check out your Target. I know that my Target had them. So yeah. As for body wash, I've been loving my OGX Radiant Glow Argan Oil and Morocco body wash, and it has a very light scent, which I like. It's nothing too overpowering. I feel like you can mix and match it with a bunch of different lotions of your choice. It has like a nice, like, kind of fresh scent to it, but it's very, very light. It's nothing too crazy. It's not going to give you a headache. The formulation on these are amazing. I highly recommend them. I think OGX body washes are amazing, and I feel like this one isn't talked about enough, so definitely pick this up, and I feel like they're always in stock. Moving on to some sort of like cleaning products, I guess, ish. I don't know. I feel like cleaning and, you know, laundry and everything like that has to do with hygiene as well. So here I have the Febreze Unstoppables Touch fabric spray. I love anything like unstoppable scent or like Downy or like laundry detergent kind of scent because it just smells so fresh. Like, it makes your room smell amazing. So if you guys also have like pets, I highly recommend this. You can spray this on your couch, on your, you know, sheets, whatever you like. I like to do this during the week where it's like the week where I don't wash my sheets, because I try to wash my sheets about every 2 or 3 weeks. I don't know what the appropriate amount is. I know some people wash them every week. We don't judge here, okay? But I like to use this because it just gives your room a nice, like, fresh, refreshing scent, and it just smells like you just did your laundry, and who doesn't love that scent? If you guys do have sensitive skin, however, be careful using these, because I know some people said that the Unstoppable scent beads kind of like broke them out because they have very sensitive skin, so just be careful with that. I love this. You can spray it on your rugs. I just like to spray it in the ear sometimes, so yeah. Another thing that I have is this Febreze plug-in sort of thing. The Febreze ones are way better than the Glade ones, so let me just throw that out there. So this one is Febreze with Downy, and it's in the scent April Fresh. I love this so much. My sister put me onto these, and they're just little like plug-in wallflowers sort of things, and they're amazing. They make your room and your like living space just smell super clean, and it's great if like maybe you just did a deep clean, you just plug this in and it just infuriates your room and makes it smell so good. Okay, so these ones are great. They're a little pricey, I'm not gonna lie, but they seriously last you a long time. You don't have to have them on the highest setting at all. I keep mine on the lowest setting and it lasts me a really long time. I also picked up this Glade one, and this is in But First Pumpkin Lattes, limited edition, notes of white pumpkin and oat milk. So I wanted to try this scent out because it was like a fall scent. I'm someone who gets kind of paranoid when using candles because I'm always like, did I turn off my candle? Did I turn off my candle? Is my room on fire? So sometimes I just like a good like room plug-in. This scent, however, it's not that good. I had this plugged in and I just did not like it. I'm still going to use it, but it's not my favorite. And I just feel like the Glade ones don't fill my room up evenly as well as the Febreze ones. So I just wanted to mention this. This is not my favorite, but I just wanted to mention it in case maybe you guys were like, should I get the Glade? Should I get the Febreze? I personally recommend the Febreze, but Febreze doesn't have as many scent options as Glade. So do what you want. As for fragrance, I have one fragrance in this, or two actually. This one is Bath & Body Works Pink Tie-Dye. I've mentioned this before, but I always like forget about this fragrance and then I use it and I'm like, wow, this scent is amazing. What, I need to start using it more, and then I get obsessed with it all over again. It has Pink Lady Apple, Water Lotus, and Cotton Blossom. As you guys can see, I'm very into like that clean, crisp kind of scent these days. I don't know why. I just love that scent, and this smells kind of like you just took a shower and you put on some fresh, clean, laundry done pajamas. That's what this smells like, and it lasts a really long time. I do feel like the body cream, however, smells better than the fragrance mist, in my opinion. Let me know if you guys feel like they smell different. I personally like the scent of the body cream a little bit more, but the fragrance mist is still good, and I pair them together and they smell so amazing. They last on your skin for so long, so yeah. The next scent I have here is the new Body Fantasies Cupcake Swirl. You can get these at Walmart and possibly other drugstores like CVS, Rite Aid, but it is the cheapest at Walmart, so keep that in mind. I believe I paid like $2.88 for this little guy, and it's a good amount. I love this scent. It is so warm and gourmand. I was about to say gourmet. Gourmand. It smells beautiful, and it actually lasts super long considering the fact that it was only $2.88. I think that is great. I like to mix this with Ariana Grande Cloud sometimes, and it just adds like that sweet cupcakey note to the Cloud perfume, which I love. So this is great for the fall because I feel like for fall and winter I tend to go for more like warmer scents, and for summer and spring I go all out for clean and fresh. Next body care product I have is this Dove Purely Pampering Coconut Milk Beauty Cream Bar. This is like the best Dove body bar besides the white bar, because this scent is just so good. It is so calming and relaxing. It's perfect for anyone who just wants like a nice light fragrance in their bar soap, and I love their beauty cream bar formulas. They're super moisturizing and just buttery. I don't know, I just really love these, and I think they're amazing when you pair them with a washcloth, so highly recommend getting these. I think you can find these at Target, and if not, I've seen them at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, and Grocery Outlet. Next product I have is a skincare product. This is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream. I've mentioned this so many times, but this is seriously the best facial moisturizer ever. If you're looking for a good face moisturizer that doesn't leave you feeling greasy, but you still want good moisture on your skin, this is it. It is a little pricey. You can get it at Sephora, but it is so good. Like, look at how much I've used of it. I use this every day, morning and night. It makes a perfect base for the, for underneath your makeup, and I just really like it. I feel like it's super hard for me to find a good moisturizer that doesn't leave my skin too greasy, but it also is moisturizing my face enough to the point where it's not feeling like tight and dry. So I love Laneige. I think they have amazing products. Next product I have here is actually something that I think is new. I don't know, you guys let me know if this is something that's new, but this is a Tree Hut Sugar Lips Lip Butter. This is what it looks like, if my camera will focus. Yeah, there we go. Is it gonna focus? There we go, yes. Love that. But this I got at Target recently, and I never have seen like their lip butters. I know they have lip scrubs, but I didn't know they had a lip butter. The scent is so good. It smells so amazing. I don't know what the scent is. I don't know. It doesn't say on here. It just says made with shea butter and rose hip seed oil. But the smell is so good, and the formulation is really good. It's not too like sticky or like thin. It's like a good lip butter consistency. I've been super obsessed with lip products and like chapsticks because I don't know, I feel like lately my lips have been getting really dry, and I think it's because the weather is starting to get a little colder here. Somewhat. I mean, it's like 60 degrees now, which is kind of cold for me. So you know, I've been loving my lip products, and this one is really good. It was like $5. So yeah. Alright, you guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of my, hygiene favorites of the month. Let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. I love you guys all so much, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!